Hello guys, in today's video we're going to have a direct comparison between the original ChargePipe kit and our version. Over the years we refined the material, we refined the shape, we increased the volume, changed the manufacturing method. We constantly try to push and develop even further our existing products. We took all the hard points of the original unit and then we redesigned everything. Mini designed the ChargePipe this way with these irregular shapes that you see here, to actually reduce the intake noise of the supercharger. By introducing these irregular shapes, you actually reduce airflow and you introduce to the system a lot of pressure drop points. So what we did, we take this diameter, which is the internal diameter of the throttle body, and we slowly taper down to the inlet of the supercharger. This ChargePipe is actually 50% bigger. This design accelerates airflow towards the supercharger, increase a lot the intake sound, then you have lots of gain in terms of horsepower and torque, as well as lower intake temps and increased boost pressure. Power-wise, we see an increase of 7 to 12 horsepower at the wheels. The R53 ChargePipe kit is a complete plug-and-play unit. Kit comes with a bypass hose, 2 hoses that you can connect the vacuum takeoffs, crash bar spacers. Actually, your Mini comes with 4 of these from factory in the left-hand side of the car. And we add another 6 and we split it between left and right. Of course, you get your hardware to install the throttle body. Everything is stainless steel. Additionally, you get stickers, because everybody loves stickers, and an installation manual. If you have any question about the R53 ChargePipe kit, please leave a comment below or send us an email. If you want to order one, again, you can send us an email or reach out to your nearest authorized dealer. Thank you very much.